equation, that's equation number 4, that's 5. We have x equals to 1 plus 3 and y is equals to 2 plus 1 over 2. That is the parameter of the equation. Show that the equation of the normal is this at t is equals to 2. Okay. You know at this point that to find the equation of the normal is what? y1 minus y is equals to what? The gradient of the normal m of n into what? x1 minus x. Okay, y1 minus y is equals to mt into x1 minus x. That is how it actually looks like. To find m of n, we know that the gradient of tangent times the gradient of normal is equals to what? -1. Hence, the gradient of normal is equals to what? -1 all over the gradient of the tangent. And how do we find the gradient of that tangent? Tangent is dy all over dx. And how can we do that? By differentiating this and this, okay? Using that, okay, gx all over dt is equals to what? We differentiate this to have 1. Since you have this, hope you know about differentiation, we'll check it there or in the playlist. Okay, differentiating this dy all over dt is equals to what? We bring this up, that will be 2 plus t to -1. If you differentiate a constant, you have 0. Then you have negative, you bring this negative here, t, -1 minus 1. That will be equals to -1 over t squared. Automatically, hence we find dy over dx. That will be what? Dy all over dt dot dt dot dy over dt dot dt all over dx. And if I'm going to invert this man to have what? That will be equals to -1 all over t squared dot we invert, that will be still 1. Okay. We know that t is equals to what? We have t is equals to 2. That will be -1 quadrant. That is the equation of the tangent. Okay. Therefore, equation of the normal will be, the gradient of the normal will be -1 quadrant. Okay. Hence, at this point, this negative and negative will cancel. Since this 1 on 1, we invert to have 4. Okay, and you have 4. You substitute here to have what? Y1. What's our Y1? To have Y1, what are you going to do? Since we know that t is equals to 2, therefore our x1 is equals to what? This 2 plus 1, that is 3. Y1 is equals to what? 2 plus half. That is 2 plus half. That's 5 on 2 here. 4, 2 here. 4 plus 1, that's 5 on 2 here. Okay, hence the new equation will be what? Y minus y1, that is what's that? Okay, 5 on 2 minus y is equals to what? Mn, that is 4 into x1. What's our x1 again? 3 minus x. Okay, we can multiply everywhere by these 2 to have what? We multiply everywhere by this man. Okay, to have 5 minus 2y is equals to 8 into 3 minus x. That is it. We multiply everywhere by 2. Yeah. Hence, you can rearrange it to have what? To bring everything here. That is 5 minus 2y is equals to 8. 8 times 3, 8 times 3 is equals to, that will be 24. Okay, 24 minus, okay, the 8 times 8, that will be minus 8x. Hence, you can bring everything on this side, so it should look like this. Okay, that will be 8x, bringing it here, minus 2y. Okay, 24 minus this, there is -19, equals to 0. And we came out with this, hence, curly. See you in the next question then.